Here's Fitted AI Closet app, one of the popular AI wardrobe apps, kind of to organize your wardrobe closet in the app and don't get anxiety like what to wear each day in the morning and where to go in which clothing. So transform the way you organize, style, and interact with your wardrobe using Fitted Closet, your ultimate AI-powered digital closet organizer. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to convenience. With Fitted Closet, your clothes aren't just stored; they are tagged, styled, and ready for inspiration at your fingertips. Whether you're dressing for a big event, planning your week's outfits, or simply rediscovering hidden gems in your wardrobe, Fitted Closet empowers you to unlock the full potential of your closet like never before. So instant uploads, easily upload your wardrobe from your camera, smart AI tagging, unlimited storage, effortless organization. Favorite your faves, mark your favorite items to keep them at the top of your closet. Outfit generator tool, customizable outfits, manual selection mode, save name and looks, create collections. So it's quite advanced app, a lot of customization. I wouldn't say yet that this is like a fully AI app because there are a lot of AI wardrobe apps, but this is more like basically your clothing organizer. So you can have all of these details in here. So you have your profile, which you create in here just super easily, and then you just add in different types of pieces. Like then you can just add a piece. So yeah, basically, you need to upgrade to have unlimited pieces. But yeah, for example, you can just add some. You can just go and scan something, and then if you just tap upload piece, then you can just try to upload that easily just from a photo. So yeah, we can try that. So for example, if I have some t-shirt, let's say, and I can just scan all of it. So for example, let's say I have this old like t-shirt. So then you can just upload it, and then it's just uploading. Then you have it here. So it's basically then it just removes the background and makes it like that. So this is what it is. It says price. I don't know why. Category, brand. All the brand is not correct, but then it's also recognizes style, material, color, condition, and then you can create a feed with it. So upload a headwear, and then upload a trouser piece, upload a footwear to have it, and then you can shuffle it, and then you can just basically check it out. But unfortunately, to do all of these things, you need basically to to upgrade, because that's the idea. And then you have your favorites. Oopsie, as you can see, the app is a bit buggy. You have your categories, you have types, you have colors, and this is the people like this app because it's very minimalistic, but it does the job. You just have all your clothes, just taking photo of them. They are super nicely organized in these kind of tables, and then you just really create feeds and just shuffle through your clothes easily, like here, and then you can shuffle it yourself, and then you just save in the feed like that. But unfortunately, to add more than one item, you need instantly to upgrade. I don't know why they don't allow to add like 5-10 pieces. You just all right. So seems all right. So it's just the button. I was just tapping on the wrong thing. Sorry. So you can upload multiple things, 10 free pieces, and then then after that you need to upgrade. So quite nice. Try it out. Pretty cool app, like it. And it's really nice that you just take photos. It's just that it does the job of cropping and organizing do the nice pictures for you. And this is the app to basically organize your existing clothes, because there are some other AI apps where you can just type what you want, and the app will then just search on internet for it. And yeah, so the app will search for that, and or the app will generate links for you to buy on Amazon instantly. Here seems you don't have it, it's just your like existing clothing, which is still nice.